Welcome to today's Tarot tutorial, where we'll explore how the Seven of Pentacles interacts with the Major Arcana. To answer relationship questions when it comes to feelings, the Seven of Pentacles represents a moment of reflection, pausing to assess what's been built in the connection and what might come up next. Paired with Major Arcana cards, it can offer deep insights into how someone truly feels. Throughout this session, I'll guide you through some key combinations, and you can ask questions along the way so that you can practice interpreting these cards for the relationship readings that you need to learn. Let's dive in. The Lovers and the Seven of Pentacles. Now, if the Seven of Pentacles is paired with the Lovers, what might person X feel about you is a common question you get asked as the reader. So, is it A, deep reflection on the balance in the relationship? B, indifference and lack of emotion in the connection? C, a desire to move on without closure? Or D, confusion about their true feelings? The answer is deep reflection on the balance in the relationship, because this is a combination that shows the contemplation about the connection and the alignment of values. Next, on the screen, we've fused this pair using the Fool and the Seven of Pentacles. If person X's feelings are represented by the Fool and the Seven of Pentacles, what might this suggest? A, they are ready to take a leap of faith with you after careful thought. B, they feel burdened by the relationship. C, they are hesitant and unsure of the connection. Or D, they feel trapped by past mistakes. The answer is they're ready to take a leap of faith with you after careful thought, because the Fool suggests excitement and new beginnings, balanced by the reflection of the Seven of Pentacles. Next on the screen, the Star card and the Seven of Pentacles. What might the Seven of Pentacles in the Star card indicate about person X's feelings? A, hopeful about the future but reflective on progress so far. B, completely detached and uninterested. C, overwhelmed and uncertain. Or D, ready to end the relationship. The answer is A, hopeful about the future but reflective on progress so far. This is because the Star brings optimism, while the Seven of Pentacles suggests thoughtful consideration. Next on the screen, we've chosen the Hangman and the Seven of Pentacles. What does the combination of the Hanged Man and the Seven of Pentacles suggest about person X's emotions? A, they are taking time to reflect and gain perspective. B, they feel rushed to make a decision. C, they're avoiding the relationship altogether. Or D, they feel stuck and want to move on. The answer is A. They are taking time to reflect and gain perspective. The Hangman adds patience and a shift in perspective to the Seven of Pentacles' reflective energy. The Tower and the Seven of Pentacles. If person X's feelings are represented by the Tower and the Seven of Pentacles, what might this suggest? A, that they are reevaluating their feelings after sudden realization. B, they are completely confident in their emotions. C, they feel calm and content. Or D, they want to avoid emotional disruption. The answer is they are re-evaluating their feelings after sudden realization. The Tower brings unexpected shifts, while the Seven of Pentacles focuses on reassessment. The Chariot and the Seven of Pentacles. What might the Chariot and the Seven of Pentacles indicate about person X's feelings? A, they're determined to make progress in the relationship. B, they're completely indifferent and uninterested. C, they're ready to walk away without thinking. Or D, confused about direction of their feelings. The answer is A, determined to make progress in the relationship. The Chariot's adding drive and focus, while the Seven of Pentacles suggests thoughtful reflection. Until next time, do have a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you at some point next year.